So click the three dots at the right, and then Settings, and then Import. And you can see towards the bottom of Import it says Raw Default. Mine by default is Adobe Default. We're going to want to do Choose Preset. Click the little down arrow. Scroll down to where you get to Optics. And then once you're at Optics, you can choose Lens plus Chromatic Aberrations. And that's what I do. Or you could just do one or the other. But this right here is Lens and Chromatic Aberrations Correction. So what we'll do next is I've plugged in my camera with the USB-C to my iPad Air 4. And I'm going to import a photo, just a raw image that I took with my Sony a7R4. So I'll do Continue here, and then I'll select the photo. This is just a photo of my YouTube studio where I am right now. I'm going to do Import. It says, please do not disconnect, blah, blah, blah. One photo imported successfully. I'll click OK. And after I click OK, then I can power off my camera. I can power off my Sony a7R4. And then you will see here in just a second. Now you can see the photo. So we can go to the photo. We can open the photo. And we can choose, go down to Optics. And so you can see Remove Chromatic Aberrations and Enable Lens Corrections. Both are toggled on. So we achieved the desired result. We automatically applied chromatic aberrations removal and lens correction. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.